Welcome back to Technical Analysis with Lennox. Myself, on this video, we'll be looking at Tesla. I know this update is long overdue, but better late than never. And the last time we spoke about this stock, I said I was bearish on Tesla, and we spoke about this head and shoulder here. I think it was around $300 per share. And we saw the stock testing this support here that we spoke about. Remember last time or the first time I did this analysis, I said Tesla was going to this level. This level is, let's call it 186. And we saw it dropping close to that level. It went up to test this shoulder level here, and it came down strongly to this level of $186 per share. And this was our support level, and we saw this head and shoulder completing to the downside, and the stock tested this lower level of $103 per share, right? And when I'm looking at this chart here, this now new information, the changes, and I'm actually bullish on the stock now. So if you are watching this, you can see this white downtrend here that the stock has tested at 103, 102, right? And Tesla is one of the best performing stocks year to date. I think the stock is up approximately 80% year to date. Let me just check here. Yeah, so approximately 80% year to date. This is outstanding performance, although it's still down. Let's measure this. The stock is still down approximately 50% from all-time high, but the stock has been amazing year to date. And this is what I'm looking at. If you didn't enter position around this level here, which was a nice buy zone, I still have good news for you. The stock is now trading back above this previous support, which is also a support again. It has just been qualified as a support because the stock has broken above this level here, qualifying this level as a support again, right? So what am I looking at here? Before I speak about the target on the stock, let's speak about the risk that is involved in the stock. Say you are buying the stock now at current level. Let me just mark this price here. This price is let's call it 109, 110. Let's say you're buying the stock at current level. You're actually exposing yourself to this much risk. So this is approximately 40% from current level, right? So this is a possible reality. We can very well see the stock breaking below this level here of $186 per share. And if that happens, the stock can very well test these lower lows here, but I don't see it going below this level here, or at least this year. I think this is the lowest that it can go to, and then from there we can see it testing this trend. There's a trend resistance here, so this would be my first target. Actually, we saw the stock trying to test that trend line there, but it failed at 213 and it rejected. We can see this two bearish candlestick formation here, and it's taking the stock back to around this level here. So for as long as the stock is above 186, I think this is still a bullish case. But if it breaks below this level here, I'd still be bullish, but keeping in mind that the stock can depreciate further back to these lower levels here, right? Now, looking to the upside of the stock, my first target, as mentioned, is around this trend line here, which is around 225. Maybe let me just mark this 225. So that's my first target on the stock, and it's a test on this trend line here. And from here, we're likely to get a support back to this to this support here, and a breakout on this stock is very likely. I think we have seen a double testing, if not a triple testing, depending on how you want to look at it. First one is around here. One may say this is a testing and this could be a third testing, but some may say this is not really a proper test, so we can just call it a double testing, and we're likely to get a triple one here, which is also likely to be accompanied by a breakout around this level here, right? So let me just give you a path. So from here, we can test that trend line there, followed by rejection, and we might just gain some nice momentum to the upside and might just break out at around 212. Going up like that. So my third target on the stock is around this level. I'll mark that price, and then third target is around the shoulder level, our previous shoulder level here. So my second target is let's make it 260. Third target, let's have a whole number and call it $300 per share, and that'll be my analysis on this stock. I am now bullish on Tesla. Like I said, the changes that we're no longer trading at $300 per share. This stock is a bit cheaper, and of course it was way cheaper when it was trading around these levels. Yeah, unfortunately I was still on holidays and I couldn't give an update on the stock, but this was a nice buy zone followed by these levels here and the levels going forward. And that's my analysis on the stock. I am bullish on Tesla. And remember, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and leave a comment in the comment section. And let's meet again next week, same place, same time. It's on.